Hi guys, a lot of people ask us how to use this new website created by Hacking Face to chat, how to use Kimi K3 for free. When you see on YouTube, you get a lot of videos how to use Kimi K3 for free, unlimited, and other things, but that's not true. Okay, I want to show you in this video the how to use this website hacking cheat chat. Is it free or not? Is it works perfect or not? Okay, let's go. First thing first, go here to hackingface.co/chat and go to this new Kimi K3 is here. Chat with Kimi K3 for free. Now you can ask Kimi K3 anything as you want. Okay, as you can see, I create this geometry dash game using the Kimi K3 as a web application. Press space. As you can see, this is my geometry dash. It looks very nice. We have a lot of stages. Okay. Okay, this is how to use Kimi K3. Okay, let's create a game. Okay, new chat. Okay, let's create master's game and hit send. Okay, as you can see, we are finished creating this game. It's around 8 minutes by using Kimi K3, and let's see, hit play. Okay, as you can see, when I hit play, it's not works because when I go here, Match Master Game, interrupted web app. As you can see, it's not finished because I'm using the free model. In some cases, it's not works. In some case, works. This Hugging Face chat allows you to use Kimi K3 one time only. If you want to use it more than one time, you have to pay the premium model and use it as you want. Okay, after creating this match master game that's interrupted one, I return right here. As you can see, it's blocked because I don't not have credit. I used one time. The game is interrupted and it's not works. When I go here in new chat and create function, see, hi, you must upgrade our model to Pro. Okay, this is the requirement. You have to pay around $9 per month for free to use this Hugging Face chat models. Okay, if you want 6 time, use 3 or 6 time, I don't know what, you can go here to the video on my channel. Okay, where is my YouTube channel? I can get this video. Where is my video? Okay, you can get this video how to download and install. To look at model of Kimi K3, or you can use it for free here. This 10K video. Okay, okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this.